Hello, this is Edward Lambert with another video for the 6-element theory for acupuncture. And this video is going to be about the embrace of the yin and yang triangles, which is really the embrace of the yin and yang essences, which forms the basis of the 6-element model. And this is actually an important video to watch. So here we go. This is from chapter 6 of my ebook, Creating Life. In the understanding of 6 elements, when the yin and yang triangles merge, life begins. They embrace each other completely. It is essential to see their embrace as two individual triangles united and bound together. Each triangle is sustained by its own unique essence, yin or yang. But it is through the interaction of their elements that the yin and yang essences can manifest the complexities of a living being. That's a good page to ponder for a while. Okay, so now here we're going to see, up here to the right, we have the yang triangle. I'm going to highlight it there, seed, fire, metal. And over here to the left we have the yin triangle of essence, which manifests as wood, earth, water. And now these two triangles, in the spiritual sense, come together. It's the embrace of the yin and yang essences, which you'll find in ancient texts. So here we go. Yang comes in from one side, yin from the other side, and they merge. And down here to the lower left, you see that yin-yang symbol, which represents this unification of the two triangles, the two essences. The triangles embrace each other along an axis. This axis is known as the Jing-Shen axis. Jing, water, and Shen, fire. The axis goes between fire and water. The real natures of Jing and Shen go way beyond fire and water, but they are associated with the elements of fire and water. Now the elements express the interaction between yin and yang essences. It is through the elements that yin and yang mix in such a way as to create and sustain life. The embrace of the triangles forms the complete 6-element cycle. The overall cycle of elements around the embrace proceeds as wood, fire, earth, metal, water, then seed. This cycle of elements alternates between yin and yang elements. This alternation allows yang elements to transform yin elements in a natural process. Wood supports fire by giving fuel to fire. The heart meridian of fire receives the blood of wood and pumps it. The muscles are full of potential energy stored there by the blood. Fire releases that energy to contract a muscle. Most heat in the body is created by muscle contractions. Fire activates the potential energy and nutrients of wood blood into tissues and organs. Fire pumps blood around the body to sustain the physical structure. Fire gives heat to the digestive process of earth. The blood carries nutritive yin qi, which is used to nourish and sustain the tissues and mass of the body. Earth receives the heat from fire in order to be transformed. The earth aspect of the body is built through the actions of fire, reminiscent of the way that through history molten lava from the earth's core formed land masses. Earth supports metal by providing substance that can be carved and molded. Earth opens up to metal. The breath of metal penetrates and moves about the substance of earth. This allows earth to breathe. It is in the ancient teaching that says, man's form is created from the dust of the ground, and into this form is breathed the breath of life. Metal transfers life force into earth's substance through breath. This is how life takes root. It is similar to aerating soil with a shovel so that the roots of plants can breathe. Compacted soil does not support life, but aerated soil will. As the atmosphere of metal breathes around the earth, life will continue to flourish. As well, it is taught that nutritive yin qi nourishes the wei qi of the body. Metal supports water by creating an environment in which water will form. This is seen in how clouds form in the atmosphere and then drop rain across the land. This is the way the atmosphere of metal supports water. The wei qi of metal disperses and descends the fluids of water around the body. The amount and quality of water that circulates is in large part determined by the ability of metal to carry water vapor around the body. Metal then allows this water vapor to condense and moisten areas that would be dry otherwise, like the throat and lungs. Water supports seed by being the foundation of its transformations. It's like when we soak a seed in water, the seed will sprout. Water is the environment in which seed is able to function best. Water contains particles and molecules which move freely within the liquid environment. Seed regulates this free movement within water in order to achieve its purpose of creating life. Seed enters water and begins the transformations that create life. The harmonizing transformations of the element seed are best accomplished in peaceful waters. That is where the incubation of life best occurs. The yuan qi of seed regulates homeostasis by way of the various fluids that circulate around the body. The element seed originates yuan qi and qi transformations in the body. The yuan qi of seed is closely linked to the fluids of water and the blood of wood. Yuan qi transforms water into blood. There is a teaching in Chinese medicine that yuan qi transforms fluid essence into blood. Here's a Lar and Rocha de la Valle from their book Essence, Spirit, Blood, and Qi. When all the bodily liquids are in total, perfect, harmonious composition, they're talking about the homeostatic synergy, there is change and transformation. It becomes red, and thus this is blood. Another quote by them in their same book, Essence, Spirit, Blood, and Qi. We can see that in pathology, an emptiness of qi can lead little by little to an emptiness of blood, due to this lack of transformation and production of the basic substance of blood. Seed supports wood by generating potential and active energy that are then expressed in the body fluids as blood. Yuan qi generates the transformation of blood. Seed creates the power in the element of wood, and then fire uses that power to drive every metabolic process that builds and expresses life. This is six-element theory. And this picture here is to show that the embrace of the yin and yang essences as triangles can be further divided down into these six embraces of the hand yin, foot yin, hand yang, and foot yang meridians. Each of those, like the hand yang meridians, form a triangle. The foot yang meridians form another triangle. Foot yin meridians form another triangle. And the hand yin meridians form another triangle. So this is a further division down within six-element theory of this embrace between yin and yang essences. This is covered in another video. Okay, thanks for watching.